In today's video, I'm going to walk you through which Kajabi plan is right for you based on your goals and stage of business. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and I'm going to break down every Kajabi plan in full detail so you can figure out exactly which one fits you at your stage of business, whether you're just getting started or already scaling. So I'm going to walk you through what you actually get on each plan, where the limitations are, and what kind of creator or business each tier is designed for. Plus, I'll share some real-life examples so you can picture exactly how each plan would work for you. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Kajabi? If you're not familiar, Kajabi is what I'd call a digital business in a box. It gives you everything you need to build and grow an online business without having to string together 10 different tools. With Kajabi, you can create and sell digital products like online courses, workshops, coaching offers, and memberships. You can build your website, send emails to your list, run marketing automations, build sales funnels, take payments, and even set up a referral program. For creators, coaches, and service providers who don't want to deal with the tech headache of WordPress, Teachable, or ConvertKit, Zapier, and Stripe all at once, Kajabi replaces all of those with one platform and one login. So let's go ahead and start off with the Kajabi Kickstarter plan. So if you want to go ahead and follow along, I've left our exclusive link in the description below where you can get a 30-day free trial with any of these. So then I just went up to pricing, and this is where you'll see all of it. And you can click between monthly and annual. The annual you'll save 20% off though, just wanted to mention that. Okay, so the Kickstarter plan. This is Kajabi's most affordable plan, and it's designed for people who are just starting out. So let's just say you're a wellness coach who just created your first 4-week digital program and you want to test out the waters. You don't need 10 products or a bunch of automations. You just need a clean, functional setup where people can purchase and access your content and maybe even join your private community. The Kickstarter plan gives you just that. On this plan, you can create one product in one community. That means if you're offering a single course, workshop, or group, you're covered. You also get one website, which includes Kajabi's built-in page builder to create your homepage, sales page, and thank you page. You will be limited to 250 contacts on your email list and can send up to 7,500 emails per month, which is fine when you're just launching your first handful of subscribers. There's only one admin user, so this is really built for solopreneurs, but you still get access to Kajabi AI and their Creator Studio, which are super helpful if you want to generate course outlines, emails, or captions quickly without overthinking. Even though this is the smallest plan, there are no transaction fees, so you can keep everything you make. If you're launching your first offer and want something super simple, this is a perfect starting point. Right now, the Kickstarter plan is $71 per month. And again, that's if you pay annually. If you want to pay monthly, it's $89 per month. But again, that's at the time of me recording this video. Obviously, they are subject to change. Now, let's go over the Kajabi basic plan. The basic plan is usually where creators start to feel real momentum. Let's just say you have a main course, a bonus mini offer, and maybe a free lead magnet that you also want to host inside Kajabi. On this plan, you can have 3 products total, which gives you way more flexibility. You can also create 3 pipelines. That's Kajabi speak for automated sales funnel. For example, you could set up one pipeline for a freebie, one for your main course launch, and one for a paid workshop with automated emails. It's perfect for creators building multiple revenue streams. This plan still includes one website and one admin user, so if you're a solo business owner, you're fine here. On this plan, you can have up to 10,000 contacts and send unlimited marketing emails, which is a huge step if you're actively growing your list or running regular email campaigns. You still get all the standard tools, landing pages, automations, the AI features, and of course, no Kajabi transaction fees. If you're ready to build a more structured funnel or add more offers to your product suite, this is definitely the smart next move. With this plan right now, you can get it for $119 per month billed annually, which is saving you 20%, or if you want to pay monthly, it's $149 per month. Next is the Kajabi growth plan. This is where the platform really starts to open up. The growth plan is ideal for business owners who are either scaling a successful product or managing a small team. On this plan, you can build 15 different products, which means you could offer a full product suite with core offers, mini courses, live experiences, or even downloadable resources. You also get 15 pipelines, so you can automate each one individually. The contact limit increases to 25,000, and you still get unlimited email sends. That's ideal if you're doing evergreen marketing plus occasional launches. Here's where things get interesting. You now get 10 admin users, which means if you're working with a VA or a content manager or a customer support person, you can give them access without sharing logins. This plan also unlocks 2 really powerful features. One is the advanced automation, so you can now set rules like if someone finishes module 3, tag them and send an upsell email, or if someone doesn't open an email, send them a reminder. These workflows make your business feel like it runs itself. 2 is the affiliate program, so you can start recruiting affiliates to promote your offers and track commissions directly inside Kajabi. You can also remove Kajabi's branding and use your own. You're basically stepping into pro-level business tools without needing developers or custom code. If you're making consistent income and want to scale without tech overwhelm, this is definitely the sweet spot. And again, at the time of recording, the growth plan is $159 per month billed annually, and the monthly is $199 per month. Now, lastly, let's talk about the Kajabi Pro plan. The Pro plan is Kajabi's most advanced tier. It's designed for large businesses or agencies. Here you can create up to 100 products and 100 pipelines, which is probably more than most people ever need. But if you're managing multiple course brands, doing done-for-you services, or launching offers across several niches, it's here for you. The Pro plan lets you manage 3 completely separate websites, which is huge if you run multiple brands or serve very different audiences. You also get 25 admin users, which means this is built for teams. If you're running an agency or have a full team handling operations, content, sales, and support, this is the plan that supports that growth. On top of that, you unlock custom code access. So if you want to build custom features, tweak your site's layout beyond the drag and drop options, or integrate Kajabi with other platforms using webhooks, the Pro plan lets you do this. This is truly designed for people running full-scale operations, whether it's a team-managed education business, a large coaching company, or a marketing agency managing multiple brands. Now, since you understand the different plans and pricing options, let's just go over some of the pros and cons of Kajabi. So starting off with the pros. First off, Kajabi replaces a whole tech stack. You don't need separate tools for courses, emails, landing pages, funnels, or payments. Everything is in one place, which saves you time and energy. The user experience is polished. From your website to your student dashboard, everything looks high-end, even if you're not a designer. There's no coding required. Even if you've never built a website before, you can launch your first offer without hiring a developer. Next is you own your audience. Unlike platforms like Udemy or Skillshare, Kajabi gives you full control over your pricing, customer lists, and content. Now, for some of the cons. Kajabi is a little bit more of an investment than just basic tools like Teachable or Podia, especially once you go beyond the Kickstarter plan. But you're paying for convenience and consolidation. There also is a bit of a learning curve at first, especially when setting up automations and funnels. But honestly, Kajabi offers live chat support and tutorials inside your dashboard. Now, some creators also might outgrow the visual design tools. If you're super particular about layout and want more flexibility, the Pro plan's custom code access might be the only way to get it exactly how you want. Now, just as a personal note, I've used Kajabi and a ton of other different systems, and honestly, I haven't seen anything else that gives you an all-in-one platform. This really can just help you save time and stay focused on creating, not configuring all the tech behind the scenes stuff. So if you're just getting started, I'd suggest signing up for the free trial and playing around with the dashboard. You'll get a feel for how intuitive it is. And if you decide Kajabi is right for you, use our link in the description below. That just really helps support the channel and allows us to keep providing educational tutorials just like this. That wraps up today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.